Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to change app page icon. Enter business name and click on next. As per your business name, the app will suggest you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on view more categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on next. Select any of the app pages, let's say About Us. Now click on app page icon. Here you will see three sections: select icon, select image, and upload custom icon. In select icon section, you will see a wide collection of solid and outline icons. If you want, you can select any of the icons for your app page from here. Next comes select image section. From here you can select an image icon for your app page. Moving to our final section, upload custom icon. Here you can upload your own page icon image of size 250 by 250. Once uploaded, click on OK to continue. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.